guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm announcing that my friend Laura and Laura is from LJ Popsy on Instagram and YouTube. We are collabing on a 25 days of Instagram giveaway. I have everything here in the box. It's going to be hosted on Instagram, on both of our Instagram accounts. So I'm going to put the rules and everything in this video. It's not hosted here on YouTube. I just wanted to let you guys know about it because I feel like I have so many more followers on YouTube than I do Instagram, and so you guys may not see it if I just announced it over there. So in order to be entered in this giveaway, you have to be following myself on Instagram and my friend Laura on Instagram. I will put both links down below. My username is Snyder157. Her username is LJ Popsy. And then you have to comment on the picture announcing the giveaway and tag one friend in that picture. If you want extra entries, you can tag more than one friend. Each comment counts as an additional entry. And then also you can comment on our pictures going forward, or as we get further into the giveaway, comment on, because every day we'll be posting a picture, and comment on those pictures and it will act as an additional entry. You can also repost our pictures for additional entries if you'd like. And the winners will be chosen from the comment section and then be verified that they are following us and all of that good stuff. So this is going to happen December 1st to December 25th, and there's 25 items in here. They range in value. 4 of the items are not in this box, and that's because they're on their way, and that is 4 different Kylie cosmetic lip kits. They will be given out on different days, so 4 days. There's a winner, one winner every day, and so 4 days of the giveaway is going to be Kylie Cosmetics lip kits. Then we have a original Naked palette from Urban Decay. We have the Winter Glamour Land from KL Polish. This is from Kathleen Lights. It's not showing up very well on camera, and that's just because it's the winter collection, so they're darker shades. We have the Morphe and Bretman Babe in Paradise highlight palette. Yeah, highlight palette and fan brush. Then we have the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. It might be Micellar Cleansing Water, Micellar, I don't know. And then these are some of my favorites. This is from Magnatone. It's the Wipeout, the Amazing Microfiber Cleansing Cloth. There are 2 of these in this pack. I actually own 6 of these. They are freaking fantastic. Basically, you get them wet and then wipe them over your face, and it takes off everything. Mascara, eyeliner, waterproof, it doesn't matter. It's taking it off. When you wash these, make sure you don't use any fabric softener with them so that they stay good for a long time, but this will last you. I mean, I've had mine for over a year now and they still work just fine. We then have, by the way, this is in no order, I'm just randomly pulling stuff out of the box. We have the Tarte Lip Surgeon's lip tint in Grateful, and then we have the Sigma Deluxe Sample Spa Brush Cleaning Mat. So basically this is kind of like a travel size of the big cleaning mats that you can put into your sink, and it's got, this is where you can clean your bigger brushes, this is where you can clean your smaller brushes, and then this acts as like a, just everything can go, and really just rub your brush over the whole thing, it's fine. We then have the Shadow Shields, and these are really cool because you peel off the back and it'll stick to your skin, kind of like tape, and it will keep your eyeshadow from falling down onto your skin, but also you can use it as a line to apply your winged liner or as a guide. They're just really fantastic. You can peel off just the top half or you can peel off the entire thing. It's up to you, and have the whole thing stick. I just find these really come in handy. This is a pack of, I think it's a pack of 50, but I mean, you can see there's like a bunch in here, so I love these. We then have a Morphe Bristle Shampoo Cacao Butter. Basically what you can do with this is you take your brushes and rub it in this and then rinse them off, and it acts as, this is your soap essentially. You don't need anything else. I mean, essentially it is. This is your soap. You don't need anything else. We then have a Maybelline, the 24 Karat Nudes, and this is an eyeshadow palette from Maybelline. I'm sure you guys know what it is. It's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 shades in here. And then we have, this is one of my all-time favorite products for my hair. This is the Revlon Professional Unique 1 Coconut Hair Treatment. It's kind of like an all-in-one. So it has repair for dry and damaged hair, shine and frizz control, heat protection, silkiness and smoothness, hair color protection with UVA and UVB filters, easy brushing and ironing, incredible detangling, long-lasting hairstyle, split end prevention, and adds body. This is a very, very thick product. So usually what I do is when it gets to about a third of the way full, I will add some water and shake it up real good. And then when it gets down to a half, I'll add some more water and shake it up real good. Just because it's so intensely thick that it's like almost too much, but I love that it's too much because that means that I get way more use out of the product by being able to add water to it. So just find what works for you, but this is a full size of the product. We then have a Batiste Dry Shampoo XXL Volume Dry Shampoo. And then we have the e.l.f. Mad for Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 shades. Then we have the Maybelline The City Mini Palette by Shayla. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades in here. Super, super cute. It's got golds and purples. I just think this is adorable and perfect for like on the go in your handbag. Then in here we have one of the Morphe brush cases. It doesn't have any brushes. It is brand new. You can see it's still got the label and everything. But I got this because so many of us have so many brushes and nowhere to put them, and this is honestly, I just feel like the best invention for brushes ever. And so I thought this could be used in your travel case. This can be used on your bathroom counter. I use it on my bathroom counter to store the brushes that I'm using, so I definitely recommend this. And then we have, this was just like really cute and kind of, it's the Sephora Sweet Balm, and it's like a lip balm, and it's got this thing that you like push up and retract and to get the shade out. I think it's super cute. We then have the Urban Decay Naked Illuminating Trio palette. Then we have the Morphe, this is a brush collection. So it's got the 2 brush cups that you can use, oh, they're all upside down, that you can use for like storing your brushes on your countertop. And then also it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 brushes. And then if you're traveling or something, you just put this over the top just like so, and you're good to go. We have the Sephora Cream Lip Stain Set. This comes with 4 different lip stains from Sephora. And then we have a KKW fragrance, and this is the original Crystal Gardenia. You've got your crystals in here with your little note. And this is a, I don't know if I said it, but it is a full size. And last but not least, we have the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palettes, or Morphe Vault. This is all 4 eyeshadow palettes. I personally, you guys saw my review, I wasn't as impressed as I was with her first palette, but I know that there's so many of you guys that were in the comments that was like, oh, I want it so bad. So I wanted to make sure that I included it in a giveaway this year, and so here it is. So if you want to be entered to win any of these items, head over to my Instagram account today. That first post will be up. You must comment on that post. You must be following us and like that post. Then you're entered, and you're entered for the whole giveaway. But if you want to get extra entries, don't forget to like and comment on our other posts regarding the giveaway, and also share it out. I'll put all the rules down below so that you've got it in writing, and the rules will be listed on the Instagram post as well. I hope you guys are excited for this. So you get 2 giveaways. So you get a 25 days of Christmas giveaway and a 25 days of Instagram giveaway. I'm excited to do this, and don't forget you must be following Laura as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!